ਸਤਿ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਦੋਸਤੋ, ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਆਪਣਾ ਸੁਖਸ਼ਿੰਦਰ ਸ਼ਿੰਦਾ। ਕੀਪ ਵਾਚਿੰਗ ਬਹਾਰਾਂ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੀਆਂ ਸੁਖਬੀਰ ਸੋਢੀ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ।
First of all, can I invite Mr. Jaswant Singh Dhillon, the chairman of the Slow Business Forum UK. Please take a seat. He is well known among the Asian community, particularly in northern India, Punjab, where he has donated 5 acres of his land and many lakh rupees to build a charitable school which is called Akal Academy Barusa, which you have heard about that. Mr. Jagraj Singh Sran has worked very hard. Originally educated in India, he is a postgraduate and he has worked for the British Airways for a long time. And in addition to that, he is a very active fundraiser for Pingalwada, which is a charity for the disabled people in India, looking after their interest and their welfare. Jaspreet is a graduate from the Oxford Brookes University in Business and Finance. He is an accountant and he is running a consultancy and accountancy firm here. Jaspreet is a very enthusiastic and energetic young man who is very motivated to take this cause, particularly because he is born here, educated here. He has a lot of dreams about building Slough as one of the prominent community in respect to business and the community health. Now I invite Ashok Arora, and he has encouraged all the members to participate fully in the association. Mr. Shokar is the patron of this organization, i.e. the Slow Business Forum. He is also advisor to this association. He is a solicitor. He is educated here in UK and also involved in a lot of charitable work. And he is the General Secretary of Mata Charan Kaur Charitable Trust, which runs 11 schools, 1 football club and a girls' college in India. Mr. Santokh Singh was elected as a councillor in 2005 of Jarrod Cross Parish Council, and in 2007 he defeated a sitting independent councillor to get the Jarrod Cross. Subsequently, he has been vice chairman of the South Bucks District Council Conservative Group. In 2008, he was elected chairman of Jarrod Cross Conservatives. He has also been during his college days president of Middlesex Law Society, chairman of Sikh Missionary Society UK, legal advisor to trustees of Sri Guru Singh Sabha Southall, the Sikh temple in Southall, which is the largest Sikh organization outside India. Now I will invite the members of the executive committee, please to come forward. I will call their names. Mr. Iqbal Singh Sidhu. May I invite Dr. Divya Prabha, please. Lakhvinder Singh Talibal, Barinder Singh Chadha, and can I invite Gurinder Singh Sanghera, please? May I invite Ravinder Chauhan, please? And can I invite Satinder Singh Sandhu, and can I invite Gurdeep Singh Garewal, please? Can I also invite Devdeep Singh Dhillon, please?
ਸਤਿ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਦੋਸਤੋ, ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਆਪਣਾ ਸੁਖਸ਼ਿੰਦਰ ਸ਼ਿੰਦਾ। ਕੀਪ ਵਾਚਿੰਗ ਬਹਾਰਾਂ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੀਆਂ ਸੁਖਬੀਰ ਸੋਢੀ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ।